Human extinction by 2030? The silent collapse begins now. No war, no asteroid, no explosion. The real threat to humanity is happening quietly, right now. And we may already be past the point of no return. It won't be a meteor. It won't be nuclear war. And it won't be AI that wipes us out. The real threat to humanity has already begun, quietly, gradually, without a single shot fired. This is the story of how our species could vanish, not with chaos, but with silence. Human extinction. By the year 2300, the silent collapse begins now. The vanishing future. Right now, there are over 8 billion people on Earth. It feels crowded, overwhelming, too many mouths to feed. But zoom out, look ahead. Because by the year 2300, we might not be here at all. Global population growth has peaked. In many countries, it's already reversed. The United Nations warns that if current fertility trends continue, the global population could fall below sustainable levels and keep falling. This isn't just a dip. It's the start of a long, slow extinction. Not because we can't survive, but because we stop creating new life. The birth rate. Crash. To maintain a stable population, each woman needs to have about 2.1 children on average. Right now, Japan, 1.3, South Korea, 0.7, China, 1.2, Italy, 1.2, United States, below 1.7 and falling. And once a population falls below replacement rate, it enters a demographic spiral. Fewer babies today means fewer mothers tomorrow, and even fewer babies after that. It's not just a theory, it's already playing out in real time. Entire villages in Japan are vanishing. South Korea has more pets than babies. China's population is now shrinking for the first time in decades. Governments are panicking, but no one has found a fix. Why we stopped having children. So why is this happening? 3 big reasons. 1. Economics. Raising children is expensive. Housing, education, healthcare, prices are soaring. Second culture. Marriage is delayed or skipped entirely. Careers, travel, freedom, these come first. Third choice. For the first time in history, people, especially women, can choose not to have children, and millions are saying no. We used to build families out of survival. Now we ask, do I even want this life? In an age of individualism, children feel optional, not essential. The result? An entire generation choosing not to reproduce, and no one to replace them. What happens when we shrink? A shrinking population may sound peaceful, but it creates chaos beneath the surface. Here's what happens. Fewer workers to drive the economy. Fewer young people to support the old collapsing tax systems and overburdened healthcare, stagnant innovation and economic slowdown. And a growing imbalance between generations. Imagine cities with more wheelchairs than strollers. Schools shutting down from lack of students. Countries fighting over young immigrants just to stay alive. And it's not just about economics, it's about loneliness, legacy, the quiet disappearance of entire cultures. Languages will vanish, traditions will die, and one day, even memory might fade. Could we really go extinct? Here's the chilling math. If global fertility averages stay below 1.5 for the next 2 centuries, the human population could fall from 8 billion to under 1 billion by 2030. From there, extinction becomes a real possibility. We wouldn't die in fire or flood. We'd just fade away. A slow erasure, generation by generation. Some scientists call this demographic time bomb. Others warn of a reverse bottleneck, where population shrinks so fast, our civilization simply can't maintain itself. Robots might build the roads, but no one will walk on them. The fight for the future. Can we stop it? Maybe. Some countries are offering huge financial incentives for families. Others are turning to immigration to slow the collapse. Technology may help. AI could reduce our need for workers. Robots may care for our elderly. But no machine can replace human connection. Ultimately, this isn't just a numbers game. It's a values game. Do we want to build a future? Are we willing to change the way we live to do it? Because extinction isn't something that happens to us. It's something we let happen when we stop believing the future is worth creating. We thought the world was too full. But maybe it's already going empty. The silent collapse has begun. And now, the question is whether we answer it before it answers us. Subscribe for more stories that challenge the way you see the future.